Hello everyone. Today, I will show you an easy way to draw a sleeping kitty. Grab a paper and some markers and draw along. Draw an oval for the head. Some curved lines make the body and tail. 2 little ovals for the paws. 2 triangles for the ears. A letter U for each sleepy eye. And a curl makes the mouth and nose. Voila! We have drawn a cute sleeping kitty. And if it's nice, we draw it twice. This time in the other direction. Now we can color our drawing. I'll make the top kitty orange with a yellow mouth and ears. You can draw brown triangles around his head and body. His body gets gray spots around his eyes. A big gray spot on his body. And a gray tail with a white tip. And our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.